Wala. YouTube.
Fully uploaded na ba?
Saksi din yan.
Hindi. Siya yung nag-post, yung kapatid.
Akala ko saksi yung nabibiyahe.
Karen, thank you. Thank you for letting me scare you. Okay. You'll be seeing this video on YouTube in the coming days.
Nakakainis ka naman.
Thank you, Karen. Thank you so much. Bye. You want to say bye before I stop this? Say bye. Are you crying, Karen? It's over. You don't have to cry. Oh, she's having a heart attack. Oh my goodness. What should we do? Should we give her a CPR? CPR. Karen, does it hurt? Do you feel some pain on your chest? Huh? Don't cry, Karen. Why are you crying? Don't cry. Okay, it's enough. Can I just see your tears falling off of your eyes? Can you show it to us, please? Okay, enough.
Nakakainis. Nagulat ako.
Karen is
Seryoso pa
crying.
naman yung ano ko. Akala ko naman lang.
I'm sorry, Karen. I didn't mean to make you cry.
Sa sister pa naman daw yun. Nakakainis ka.
Galing nga sa sister
Eh,
yun.
bakit ganun?
Okay, Karen.
Akala ko pa naman accident. Tama na kasi. Hindi mo na yan.
Okay, bye.
Kainis.
Can I just give you a handshake before I stop? Okay.
Ano ko ba? Tama na kasi.
Sige na nga. Okay. We'll have to end the video, guys, because Karen is now in a state of shock. We still have to figure out what to do. I think we'll have to rush her to the hospital and have her heart attack checked.
Ganyan, di ba? Kagabi nga ako lang mag-isa, nagulat ako doon yung pag-ano. Ano din, ganun din. Iba. Parang sumisigaw. Nagulat.
Sige na po. Bye-bye.
Tama na nga eh.
Yeah, I'm gonna stop this. Bye, guys. Hello.
Nakakainis talaga to. Kapangit pa ng damit ko, dapat nandito.